Okay, we're going to make Christmas earrings. I got these at the dollar store. They're only for $1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the jump rings on here. I have my pliers. And I'm going to just turn my phone over for a minute. Now we're going to take the smaller ones and open these up. I took my glasses off because I need them to see far off, and close up I can work with this just fine. Now I'm going to take the littler one and put through this one here like that, and it's going to hang like that. And then you're going to take this, your French wire, put on here like that, and then close up the earring hook. And then there you go. Kind of twisting a little bit. Let's see, that hangs that way. Now if you want them to hang this way, see how that hangs. Kind of hangs sideways, don't it? So maybe we don't need that littler one. So we're going to take the littler one. We're going to take the little one off. I'm going to take that one off. Now, I'm not used to doing videos with my jewelry. And we're going to do one here. I'm going to reopen this jump ring. Put that on there. And see how that hangs. Oh yeah, that hangs much better. So I'm going to get the next one. And I'm going to check my camera. Okay, so as you can see, that hangs pretty good. Hangs pretty good right there. So we're going to turn this back around. And we're going to get one of the silver jump rings because they're bigger. Oh, my camera fell. Haha. No, I'm not used to making videos while I'm making jewelry. So you got this open, and I'm going to find a spot on here. Fold this out of the way. So this is how I make my jewelry. I find stuff that I think would be a cute pair of earrings, or I get beads and I'll make an earring, and it's just a lot of fun. And that's too close to there, so I'm going to try it right there. Sometimes it's aggravating when the jump ring doesn't want to cooperate, you know. So I am going to close up that jump ring, and all these little fibers are in the way. And I'm just going to keep working it over until I get the jump ring to close. So I got the jump ring to close pretty good. And it can move around a little bit. That's good. And then I'm going to take my gold one and I'm going to put through here. We'll open up the gold one. I'm going to put this one in here like this. Then I'm going to add the French wire. Some people call them kidney wires. I'll call them French wires. I'm going to close that up. See how it dangles? Okay, now these ones are mine. So I'm going to put these on. I haven't worn earrings in a while, so my ears are a little hard to get into. I'm going to put these ones on.